To edit PDF in Canva mobile, you want to come down here and click on upload to bring in your PDF file. I have my PDF here and I'm going to click on it to import it into Canva. My PDF is uploading into Canva. My upload is complete and it's showing me where my PDF is. I will come down to see my PDF that I just uploaded and I will click on the PDF. Note, when you upload a PDF into Canva, that PDF will upload as a design. If we use our two fingers to shrink it in, you can see that we have 5 pages in this PDF. Let's go into the first page, double tap on it, and you can start to edit things in your PDF. You see that all these boxes now clickable. If you want to change the text and something, you can click on it and click in again. You see it has highlighted the text. If it's a particular place, you can place your cursor on that part and begin to cut out what it is you want to edit from your PDF. You just want to go through your PDF and see that everything is clickable. You can just pretty much change what it is you want to change. If you want to take things out, you can click on it, delete, and you can paste text. You can adjust colors. If you go to color, you can change the color of this text into something else. Say we choose this color. You see that whole text has changed. And you can delete pages actually. If we go into page 3, you want to click on the page it is you want to delete and click on delete. And as well, you can also rearrange pages from here. We click on this page, we can drag it and move it to. When you're happy with how your design look, you want to click on this arrow facing up here and download. And when you come to file type, you click this drop down here. You have 2 options, whether to download as PDF, standard, PDF print, depending on the purpose you're using your PDF for. If you're sharing as documents, you can download as PDF standard. If you're printing it, you can use PDF print, and whichever one you choose. For the PDF print, you have 2 more options. You can use the RGB for digital use, and you can use the one for professional printing. And when you're done with your settings, you click on download to download your PDF.